Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Is your bank account constantly in the red? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to go from broke to rich in your 20s. Step number 1, budget like a boss. Track all your expenses and create a budget that works for you. Cut unnecessary expenses and start saving. Step number 2, crush your debt. Student loans, credit cards, it's time to conquer them. Pay more than the minimum balance, tackle high-interest debt first, and watch your financial burdens shrink. Step number 3, invest in yourself. Acquire new skills, improve your education, and stay ahead in your career. Invest time and money in your own growth, and the returns will be worth it. Step number 4, embrace the side hustle. Use your skills and passions to generate additional income. Whether it's freelancing, starting a small business, or monetizing your hobbies, a side hustle can turbocharge your savings. Step number 5, build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial progress. By having a safety net, you'll be prepared for anything life throws your way. Step number 6, invest, invest, invest. Take advantage of compound interest by investing early. Start with affordable investments like index funds or engage the help of a financial advisor to grow your wealth. Step number 7, live below your means. It's simple, spend less than you earn. Be mindful of your expenses, prioritize saving and investing, and watch your net worth soar. Remember, financial success takes time and discipline. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make. Now go out there and become a Millennial Money Master. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on unlocking wealth in your 20s.